Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you how to change the icon shape here. You can change the icon shape here and you can change the image also. Means suppose in WhatsApp, what you find in WhatsApp, this shape, the calling phone shape, you can change it. You can change the icon of YouTube also. How? For this you need good lock application. For some phone, good lock application is not supporting some types of phones, so but for most of the phone it is supporting. So install good lock and then just open it. When you open good lock, then makeup and live up two, you will see this in bottom. Just go to the theme park, and in theme park you will see themes, keyboards, quick panel, icon, volume press. Just go to the icon. Okay, in themes you will see this keyboard. We will go to the icon and then we will tap on create new. As soon as you will tap on create new, see this type of screen will come, and from here see icon shape is changing. Which type of icon is liked by you, just select that. You can select any type of icon which is available here. Color and tray color you can also change. Suppose I am selecting this or selecting this. Suppose selecting this, then if you want to change the image, what is the procedure I am going to tell you here. 3 dots are there, tap on, then change icon. It will open loading image. Now suppose for Myntra you want to change. Tap on Myntra, tap on gallery, and in gallery suppose screenshots you want to take some. Suppose you want to take this. See, the icon has been changed. Go back, download it, name it, suppose icon 100. You can name. Now it is installing, but it is not applying. Means it will make and you have to apply it afterwards. How I am going to show you. First it has to install. We will wait while installing. So preparing data. Now it has been installed and here it has come icon 100. Icon 100. This. Now if you want to apply this, apply it. It is applying. It has been applied, and see what is Myntra icon image. Myntra. See, it has been changed. So if you want to restore the original one, what you need to do, again go to the good lock, go to the good lock and then theme park, and here go to the default and apply it. Now the default configuration will be reloaded and you will move to the original one. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to change the icon image and icon shape in Samsung mobiles. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.